Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Discover Bank account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Discover Bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address discover.com and hit on enter. And then you'll be directed to the home page of Discover over here. Now in order to log into your Discover Bank account, you can see on this login panel as well as there's a login button. If you click on that, some kind of login panel will appear. Now in order to log into your bank account, you'll be required to click on over here where it says credit card, and a bunch of options will appear in order to log into our bank account. Let's click on the bank account option over here, and with that being done guys, enter the user ID of your Discover Bank, and after that enter the password of your account, whichever may it be. But guys, if you've forgotten it, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says forgot user ID/password. If you click on that button guys, you'll be able to retrieve your user ID or password depending upon which one you lost. And that being said, after entering your user ID and your password, click on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your Discover Bank account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how to log into your Discover Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.